I have noticed a surge in posts on Facebook and KDP community forums about Amazon KDP accounts being terminated and books getting blocked. While the reason varies for each case, it seems that most often issues are tied to copyright violations or the use of AI-generated content. For instance, if you look into Canva's copyright policies, they state some third-party print services may require you to agree that you own copyright in any design you upload to their service. If that's the case, you can't use Canva content on those designs because you don't own the copyright in that content. You only have a license to it. In a previous video, I mentioned that to achieve a monthly income of $1,000 with Amazon KDP, it's crucial to create more professional interiors and book covers than basic low-content books. Relying solely on free online design tools may not meet all your needs at this level. Additionally, using these free design tools or AI image generators can lead to copyright issues, which may result in Amazon KDP account terminations. If you are serious about succeeding on Amazon KDP, I highly recommend learning professional design tools like Adobe products. And with Black Friday right around the corner, it's a fantastic time to invest. You can get up to 50% off on Creative Cloud. I have included a link to the Black Friday deals in the description. Just remember, these discounts won't last forever. They are only available from November 15th to November 29th. When you buy Creative Cloud All apps, you get 20 plus Creative Cloud apps including Photoshop, Illustrator, Adobe Express, Premiere Pro, and Acrobat Pro. Adobe products like Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign are some of my go-to tools for running my KDP business. I use them to create almost all of my cover designs and interior files. And when it comes to making YouTube videos, like the one you are watching now, I rely on Premiere Pro. You can create both Amazon KDP covers and interiors in Illustrator. You can create Amazon KDP cover files in Photoshop. You can use Acrobat Pro to manage your PDF files before uploading to Amazon KDP. You can use Premiere Pro for video editing. You can create AI-generated images in Adobe Firefly, and you can use Adobe Express for any of your social media projects. It's like Canva. I have beginner-friendly Illustrator tutorials specifically for Amazon KDP on my channel, which you can start with. I will be adding more videos soon, and there are also thousands of free tutorials available on YouTube. Check the link in the description for Adobe's Black Friday deals, and don't miss your chance to get your great discounts on Adobe products. I recommend going for the Creative Cloud All Apps plan, but if you are considering a single app and aren't sure which one to choose, feel free to ask me in the comments. See you soon.